Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I created this sequin mandala style hanging lampshade. I began with coating the inside with Mod Podge. While the Mod Podge was wet, I sprinkled various sizes of silver glitter, so I ended up doing this in sections. Once dry, I painted the trim black. I decided I wanted 4 mandalas, so marked off all 4 sides and the center went all the way around. I created each design by using various sizes and shapes of sequins adhered with fabric glue. Once this design was finished, I took a picture and tried to create the exact same mandala on all 4 sides. To connect the 4 mandalas, I then glued on smaller designs, and it's finished. Well, I did decide I wanted to add a crystal finial, and I found some decorative LED light bulbs. If you liked this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.